How to show or hide writing toolbar with S Pen to text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, click on S Pen. After click on S Pen, scroll down and click on S Pen to text. After click on S Pen to text, you will see show writing toolbar is here. If you want to hide writing toolbar, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see writing toolbar is hide. If you want to show writing toolbar, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see writing toolbar is show. You will hide and show writing toolbar from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide writing toolbar with S Pen to text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.